What the fuck is going on? Where in the fucking cow shit am I? Dude, why does this shit always fucking happen to me? Wait. What's that noise? What the fuck is going on here? Oh god. Oh no, it can't be. I'm in the fucking Middle East. I need to get the fuck out of here, like right now. Oh, what the fuck is this shit? Somebody better fucking explain, right now.
Gladly, my friend, you were picked for a special intake on a new movie we're producing right here in the streets of Los Angeles.
Bitch, if I wasn't so upset right now, I'd definitely compliment on your above average looking breasts. Besides, what would a Middle Eastern style movie want with a city boy in it? Do I look like Shia LaBeouf? You people have done it now. I'm calling my lawyer, this instant. Shut up, fake crowd. I'm on the fucking phone. Yes, hello there. Can I speak? What? What do you mean? Oh, what the fuck do you mean you see me on TV? And why the fuck can I not sue the bitch? Oh fucking damn it, Jim. Fuck you all the way to the pits of hell. Stop fucking laughing at me, and tell these fuck nuggets to shut the fuck up.